Continuing Professional Development, or CPD, with a focus on teaching and learning, is crucial to the ongoing improvement of higher education institutions and their staff, and to student success. From this course, you will see that CPD does not need to be put off until there's a fully functional, centralized centre for teaching and learning. We hope the course will help you to develop a clear purpose and drive for promoting quality CPD in your institution, whether or not you already have an office or centre for teaching and learning. This is an asynchronous course. You can complete it in your own time, and there are opportunities for you to comment in a discussion forum. In the forum, you can see other participants' comments to spark your own thinking. There may be the option of arranging to have the course facilitated. This introductory video will help you to understand how the course works, guiding you through a set of questions and using a tool to plan and review CPD in your institution. The Planning Matrix. Informed by research and a literature review, we created a framework relating to establishing and improving CPD at an institution. The course is structured around the 5 key questions and 7 elements in this matrix. If we click on the image, we can see a larger version. At selected points on the matrix, there is an activity for you to do. 1A, 1B, 2A, 3A, etc. addressing a particular question from the matrix. Using the Learning Management System menu bar on the left to navigate to your chosen activity, for example 1A, each activity should not take you more than 20 minutes to complete. If we click on 1A, it takes us to that section of this course. The activities follow a structure of think, reflect, and do. We give you something to think about. Here we ask you to read this short blog extract in the blue box. Then we ask some questions for reflection. We encourage you to post your thoughts in the discussion forums throughout the course. This is how you post in a discussion forum.
And it falls to me to show you how to use the forum. You'll see it's pretty straightforward. Scroll down until you see the little icon, the blue and the green speech bubble, and that indicates that there is a forum. The little writing underneath just tells you what you need to do. All right, in this case it wants you to post a reply. Click on the blue writing to go into the forum. In this particular forum there are 3 questions for you to consider. When you are ready to comment, click on the reply button in the right hand corner and you'll see a little text box has opened. So this is where you can put in your comments. When you are happy with your paragraph, then you can click on the Post to Forum button. And you'll see that your post is immediately added. Should you decide, oh, I've made a spelling mistake, or I've got some additional resources to add to my post, you can click on the Edit button. When you have the Edit button, your little text box appears, but now it does have some formatting tools which you can try out if you want. And for example, you could now add a picture. Or you could add an attachment. You might have other documents you would like to share with the large group. And you can use this particular tool. Should you decide that you want to delete the item altogether, you have that ability as well. Come down here, click the delete button. It wants to know you're absolutely certain, and you can say yes, continue. All right. Once you are happy that you have completed this task, a quick way to get back to where you were is click on the breadcrumb trail at the top, and it'll take you back to the think, reflect, and do components of the tutorial.
This is followed by a guided reflection to support your thinking. In this case, the guided reflection is in the form of a video. If we press play, we can make it full screen.
Guided Reflection, Activity 1A. In the extract you have read from a Times Higher Education.
Okay, I'm going to go back to making it small again. Then we ask you some questions to spur you into action. This is the do part, using the planning matrix to plan your next steps. You can download a blank version of the planning matrix for your planning. In Activity 1A, there is some optional enrichment for you. You can read the full blog post by Alexandra Mihai if you click here. When you have completed an activity, you click on the matrix again and choose another activity to explore. You do not need to go in sequence, but you can if you want to. Let's look at 2D. So we look at it here. What format does your CPD take? We go here, click on 2D, and it takes us through the same sort of process that we had in 1A. Think, reflect with a discussion forum, guided reflection, and then do. For each activity, you will think, reflect, and do. You will have the opportunity to use the planning matrix to plan the next steps or actions that you will take to begin, change, or improve CPD in your institution. This means that by the end of the course, you will have a tool that you can share and discuss with colleagues and complete and adapt and implement in your own time. At the end then of each activity, we can click on the matrix. Some of the cells in the matrix, such as 2B and 2C, etc., are not addressed. This is because more research may be required. In activity 5A, here and here in the learning management system, you will consolidate what you have done by developing a set of quality criteria that you can aim to achieve in your context. You will now have a review matrix which you can use together with your own planning matrix to build, review, and improve CPD in your institution. Now, when the video ends in your navigation bar, we suggest you scroll up and click 1A, Why Bother, to begin the course. We hope you find it useful.